Hello, welcome to the channel. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Today we are going to talk about importance of insurance for car rental business. Car rental business losses. When it comes to advantages, there are also disadvantages. The disadvantages of a car rental business include: number 1, vulnerable to damage. The loss of a car rental business that certainly cannot be avoided by each business owner is if the vehicle being rented is damaged. The risk of this damage can be experienced due to several factors, but it is often caused by an accident or negligence of the driver. Therefore, it is important for you to have vehicle insurance to protect each car that will be rented. That way, all risks of loss can be minimized through the claim process to the insurance company. Number 2, lack of cleanliness. This is a trivial problem that every car rental business owner will definitely experience, even though not all customers are careless when it comes to cleanliness. Therefore, before releasing the key to the tenant, you should give them instruction first to keep the interior or exterior of the car clean. Don't ignore it if you don't want to feel the loss at the end. Number 3, the customer does not pay the rental fee. The next car rental business loss that will sometimes be experienced is the customer or partner does not pay the vehicle fees related to the rental. This is the most common risk that you may experience in the future. For that, you need the right anticipatory step. For example, by making rules for paying down payments for rent, to detail cooperation contract with them so that they are formal. Number 4, vulnerable to the theft cases. Another disadvantage of the car rental business is that it is vulnerable to case of theft. This is sometimes difficult to avoid, especially if the irresponsible person is really good at deceiving these victims. Number 5, difficult to combat. The last disadvantage of a car rental business that you may face in the difficulty of competing. You could say this car rental business has many competitors, not only in big cities. At first glance, buying rental car loss insurance is indeed an option for car owners because they have to provide more capital to pay premiums. If you are still in doubt, here is a list of reasons why rental car insurance is important. Number 1, can control the tenant when using the car. In running a rental car business, you will lend your assets to a variety of different people. Of course, you never know what kind of character that person is, and whether he or she is disciplined in driving your car. Therefore, you can't control and predict how the condition of the car when it is returned. Number 2, there are other risks beyond the carelessness of drivers and renters. Second, even if you have selected the tenants very strictly, there is still a risk of an accident due to the carelessness of others, thereby damaging your car. In addition, the possibility of natural disaster cannot be avoided as well. Number 3, rental car insurance premiums are lower than the risk of loss. Usually, the annual premium for car insurance is less than 5% of the price of the car. Therefore, instead of spending big on repairs or even buying a replacement car, it's better to set aside a little money to pay premiums. As a rental car entrepreneur, you must be curious about the size of the premium that needs to be paid to protect the car from unexpected events. Number 4, insurance company will be responsible if one day the car is damaged, which make it unable to operate properly. You can go to the insurance partner's repair shop to repair the car. The cost of repair will be covered by insurance, so you don't have to spend any more personal money as long as the damage is outside the policy expectations.